Hi Chips Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw a bag of chips. So let's get started. To draw this yummy bag of chips, let's first start by drawing a rectangle. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a straight line across. I'm just going to be drawing the bag. So about that wide. And I'm going to come down. It's all up to you how big you want your bag to be. About right there. And here. Just to create my bag. So it's just a rectangle. There. From there, I'm going to draw the top of the bag. So I'm going to come up right here and just give it a slight curve upwards. And then I'm going to come across, just soften this part up a little bit. And then I'm just going to wobble my way across just a little bit. So it's not so stiff. And then come right back down on the other side. So same thing over here on the bottom. And just wobble a little bit. Ta-da! Now we have a very simple bag of chips, right? So then let's come to the top and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself some lines. Just some crease lines. Here, and then the bottom the same thing. So in the center. And just notice the lines on this side go this way and the ones on this side go the other way, just to follow the bag. To follow this part right here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this bag to life and give it some decorations. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to just wobble, just draw a wave across about right there. And then, let's see here, I'll draw another one about right here, kind of in the center. And up. And one more. So this bag of chips here was inspired by a Christmas ornament I saw at Target. And I recently drew one of a hot dog, so they're all the same series. So hopefully you love these really simple and hopefully easy food art. So now that we have these two stripes in, let's go ahead and put in some eyes. So about right here, I'm going to add a circle. And a little highlight, and I'll shade that in. And same thing across. And then this big smile right in the center. Cap it off. A little curve on top of each eye. Aww. And then let's write the word chips over here. So I'll start about right here. I'm just going to go for it and just draw a big C and thicken it up. So C-H-I-P-S, so about right here. So one trick I have when I'm trying to draw these letters is just kind of eyeball how much room I have. And then if I get to the end, I have too much room or too little room, I just kind of adjust the last letters. So P. So if I have a lot of room, I just make the last ones a little bit wider. And vice versa. So here we have an S. Fit right in there. So we have the word chips. And so I'm just kind of, if you notice, I was just kind of following the curve a little bit. Trying to. Okay, so now our chip is done. Our chip bag is done. I thought it'd be really cute to draw a little chip right here. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here. And I'll just draw this curve for the top of our chip. And I'll give a little crack right there. And then bring it down to the right here. So it's all up to you what kind of chip you want to draw, what shape, it really doesn't matter. And then let's come down here and draw some feet. So we just want to end about the same area as the bag. Little feet, and then let's put in some eyes. Very happy eyes. And a smile, of course. A little curve on top of each eye. And then let's have them holding hands. So let's bring a hand down here. Hand going up. And where they meet, just thicken it up. There. So silly, right? And let's have another hand going up over here. And then on this side, let's draw the other hand. So about right here. Just nice and simple. And downwards. And let's see, what else should we add? We should add a heart, right? So I'll add a heart right here on my bag of chips to make it my Draw So Cute bag of chips. I really hope you love this cute food art and that you love this just as much as the hot dog that I drew. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.